Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm creating a very summery look in which I'm going to create a very decent and summer friendly look. So first step is that I'm applying Vaseline. I have a lot of dry skin. That's why I use this Vaseline whether it's day or night because I have really cracky skin. You can apply whatever moisturizer you wish to. Now I'm using Huda Beauty Primer. So this is the must thing for my pores because I have a lot of open pores near to my nose area. After applying my primer properly, now first I'm going to do my eyes. For eyes I'm using my MNHD concealer. This look is without foundation, so this whole look is going to be created by this concealer only, and you yourself see how much coverage this concealer gives. So first I'm blending my concealer evenly on my eyes. This step is must if you want your eyeshadow to be pigmented. Now I'm using Fit Me Maybelline Compact in the shade 220. Now I'm applying it onto the top of my concealer. Right after blending it, now I'm going to take my shade. So the first shade I'm taking is the dark brown, and the next shade I will pick the lightest brown. So first I'm taking the darker brown shade, and all over my eyelid I'm spreading it evenly. This will create enough of the depth into our eye, so I'm spreading it all over my eye. Make sure you blend it properly. So the brush I'm using is the blending brush. You can see already the color is looking so freaking beautiful. Nowadays neutral colors are so much into fashion. That's why I have created this neutral look with the tint of blue color, so you can yourself see how beautifully this look will turn out. So right after blending it properly, now I'm using the lighter shade onto the top of my shadow, and now I'm putting a little bit black in the corner from the same palette. This will create a little depth into a skin, into our eye. Now I'm taking ADS blue pencil. This pencil have a very pigmented color. I'm gonna draw a normal eyeliner with it. So now I'm going to draw a liner. You can draw it according to your choices. I have chosen blue color because this will give amazing contrast with brown. I have a lot of colors into this brand, and I really love those pencils. They turned out to be so pigmented, and it's quite affordable. It's not at all expensive. Anyone can buy this. And these are quite a stable pencil. You can wear it for longer days and it doesn't spread. This is the best part. So the same way I draw, I'm doing it onto the other eye. You can yourself see the brown and the blue contrast is coming so beautifully. The problem with pencil is that you need to repeatedly shape in it, so that's why here it's taking a little bit of time, but I'm not fast forwarding it because I want you to see properly how I'm going to draw a liner with this pencil. You can see the eyes are looking so pretty already. Now I'm using Push Up Drama mascara from Maybelline. This gives a lot of volume to your eyelashes, and I don't apply fake eyelashes because my natural eyelashes are quite satisfying for me. So I'm just applying 1 to 2 coats onto my upper eyelashes, and you can already see it's looking freaking good. A little bit on the bottom lashes for more openness in this eyes. Now I'm applying the same concealer onto my cheek, forehead, nose. This will give a great coverage and you no need to require any foundation, because in this rainy weather it becomes so cakey. So this is the best thing you can apply, and a lot of you appreciated my makeup tutorials without foundation. That's why I'm doing this look specially for you guys. You can see already it's looking freaking covered. Now I'm applying my compact. This is a very nominal product required look, and this is easy to achieve, and also you no need to put a lot of makeups unnecessary onto your face. This is Now I'm taking a brown shade from the same palette which I have used for my eyes and drawing my eyebrows. Basically, why I'm taking the brown shade, because this look will give another you can say another shining stuff to the look. That's why I'm using this eyeshadow, because brown eyebrows, you can yourself say, it's looking so great. So now I'm just shaping my eyebrows with concealer. This will give a lot of depth to the eyelashes. Sorry, I mean eyebrows. Now I'm using my highlighter cum blush. This is my favorite blush, and you can yourself see this will gives you a very natural look. And now I'm using Forever Ever Pencil lip liner. This is a kind of a lipstick, and this is matte. This is somewhere neutral color, and I really love the color, and you can see this is giving a lot of depth to the look. So guys, this is the final look, and I have really enjoyed filming this video. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I'll come up with more videos like this. Keep supporting my channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe to it. Goodbye.